Hi, let's calculate this integral. Here, our cosine has power equals to 3. So, we can rewrite our line like this. Cosine of x to the power of 2 multiplied by cosine of x dx. And why is it? Why we did it? So, we need to put our cosine of x here. So, let's see. D sine of x is equal to derivative of sine of x dx. Yes, and we know that derivative of sine of x is equal to cosine of x dx. So here we'll obtain integral of cosine of x to the power of 2 d sine of x. And now here we have sine and here we have cosine. But of course we need sine here. So we can use a formula sine to the power of 2 plus cosine to the power of 2 equal to 1. And from here, cosine squared equals 1 minus sine of x to the power of 2. And we can put this line here. So let's rewrite our integral like this: 1 minus sine of x to the power of 2 d sine of x. And now we have sine here, sine here. Great. Then we can split our integral into two integrals. First integral will be integral of d sine of x, because here we have only one, and then minus integral of sine to the power of 2 d sine of x. And now we can use a formula. It's a reminder. Integral of x to the power of m dx equals to x to the power of m plus 1 divided by m plus 1 plus c, where c is constant. So here we'll obtain sine of x, and here we'll get sine to the power of 2 plus 1, 3, divided by 3 plus c. And this is answer to our question. And how we can check, is it true or not? So let's see. Sine of x minus sine to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c derivative. We can write derivative of our answer, and we need to obtain this line as a result. So let's see. Derivative of sine is cosine of x. Then minus 3 multiplied by sine of x to the power of 2, and now we need to multiply it by derivative of sine, which is cosine of x, and 3, and derivative of constant equals to 0. So this gives us cosine of x minus sine to the power of 2 from here will be equal to 1 minus cosine to the power of 2 and cosine here. And it gives us, let's see, cosine of x minus 1 multiplied by cosine gives us minus cosine of x, and minus multiplied by minus, it's plus. Cosine to the power of 2 multiplied by cosine gives us plus cosine of x to the power of 3. And our cosines we can remove from here. So we can see that our answer is correct.